Morning. It's about 7 o'clock on Saturday morning. We thought we'd get out here early because it's supposed to be about 93 degrees today. It's supposed to be really hot. And off in the distance that way, looks like a pretty decent morning, you know, sun just starting to come up. But when you turn around this way, holy smokes. Oh wow, I hope I caught that. We've got a storm coming in. So we are out with the dog. Sherry is down there with Bailey right now. We're trying to get a quick walk in with her. Our plan was to do it because it was supposed to be really hot today and get out while it's cool. But this is not looking good. I'm just gonna stand here. Look at these clouds. Look at that sky. Wow, more lightning over there. I'm gonna wave Sherry back towards us here as soon as she turns around. Probably not safe to be out here with that storm that close. We're kind of in a big open field. Sorry for the wind here on the microphone. I wasn't expecting it to be this windy today. I just called Sherry back. She knows she's making a beeline for the car. She's like, I am not happy being out here. I want to just get in the car. Here comes Sherry. Yeah, we're not gonna walk this morning. Wow, cool. Yeah, the wind is really picking up. So we're gonna do the smart thing and not go for a walk today. At least not right now. Wow. I love a good lightning storm. I just hate it that our dog doesn't like it. That thunder starts rumbling and oh, she turns into a panting, drooling puddle of mess. So we'll go, oh, the wind kind of quit a little bit. Calm before the storm. We'll get her home, and Sherry walked down the road a little bit with her. Bailey's like, nope. We'll get her home and get her some, we give her some CBD supplements that help calm her down, so we'll give her some. Oh, there's some thunder. Did you see that? Yeah, we're gonna go home, give the dog some CBD supplements. We're gonna get ourselves some breakfast, and we're gonna call it a morning. Wow, that's awesome. I want to stay out here until it passes and just watch that. But yeah, we're gonna head home. Hope you guys have a good morning. We decided to take a quick drive to kind of a higher point in town. It's the cemetery. It overlooks the city and a good view of the surrounding fields. Just real quick, just to see what it looks like from up here. Oh yeah! Some thunder going on. Oh, wow. Ooh, see that one? I did. It's starting to rain. All right. Well, that's our excitement for a Saturday morning. We'll go home and start our normal day, and we'll get the dog settled down as much as we can. Poor thing. Cool. So just real quick, this is upstairs in our house, looking out over part of the town here. Come over here to this window and see. It's definitely darker over here. These trees are great. Except when you want to look out at a lightning storm. Cool. It's right above us. You can see the red light flashing, reflecting on the window there, right there. You see the little red light from the camera blinking. I'm just gonna stay up here for a little bit. And then I'll head down and make breakfast. Was not expecting this morning. I knew we were supposed to have some weather later today, but I was not expecting this first thing this morning. Oh, I hear the coffee grinder. Sherry's making coffee. Mmm. Perfect. This is a really cool storm. Oh, that was a good one. Yeah, poor dog.
You know when your hair stands up.
Yeah. And here comes the rain. Here comes the wind. Okay, I reached my limits. My socks are getting wet. What a difference a few hours makes. See, what time is it here? It's 3:45, Saturday afternoon. Like 8:30 this morning, it was horrendous out here. Look at that, blue skies, it's beautiful. It actually hit 88 degrees. It's 88 degrees right now. It is still a little windy, and we are still expecting some weather to come in this afternoon. sometime around 6 o'clock tonight, we're supposed to have another round of heavy rain, some thunderstorms, maybe some hail. But right now it's gorgeous. So if the weather does come in, we'll show you that. Well, it's about 4:30, and we are expecting another storm to roll in at sometime around 6. We fed the dog already. That's about an hour earlier than we normally feed her dinner. And we're gonna give her some drops here early. So this is Critter Care. It's a CBD drop, all organic for dogs and cats, basically any kind of animals. We get this at Survival Enterprises in Idaho. A guy named Kurt Wilson has a shop there that is really great. We're gonna put 1 drop of that onto one of these little biscuits here, and give it to her just to get it on board. And then if we need to add a little more later, we will. Oh, we're just gonna give her like a half a biscuit? Just a bit of a biscuit? She didn't even get a whole biscuit. Oh man. One thing I really like about the container, the Critter Care container, is that the eyedropper is plastic. So if we need to actually just give it to her directly into her mouth, and it's got measurements on it, it's got dosages on it marked out. So if we need to give her just a little bit, we can give it right into her mouth.
Get a treat.
Look at you. Hi. You ready?
Oh, yeah.
She's like, what? That a girl.
Oh, good stuff.
Yum, yum, yum.
Good stuff.
Yum, yum, yum. All right. That's going to help you chill out.
Okay, we'll give you another one in a little bit.
6:15, and it looks like the storm's coming. I'm feeling a couple light drops of rain. The radar shows we're just on the edge of the rain band. And it is windy. Got some dark clouds. These clouds are cool. Look at just like the round bottoms of those clouds. Like I said, just starting to feel some raindrops. Oh yeah, look at that. That's cool. So we got the dog settled as much as we can have her settled, I think. We have the bedroom set up so she can come lay on the bed with us. Ooh, oh, there's lightning. And we're just gonna hunker down. We're gonna watch a bunch of YouTube videos, turn the volume up really loud, hunker down all in the same room, and hopefully she'll be okay, poor thing. Cool. Okay, well, I'm gonna go back in. Cool. And we'll see what the evening brings. All right, well, this is what it looks like from upstairs. That's our garage. Right there's our garage. That's kind of a nasty looking cloud right there. Jeez. All right, well, I think that's right above us. Well, we'll just ride this one out and see what happens. Hopefully it mostly goes around us. Yeah. All right, so that's looking out our back bedroom window onto the alley. We are closing all the blinds, closing all the bedroom doors upstairs. We're hunkering down downstairs. Yeah, come in our bathroom here and let's see.
There's a definite line.
Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, so lights are flickering in the house. We had the emergency broadcast thing just come over the radio that actually did announce Ritzville was right in the thick of all of this that's coming. We usually get missed in that call, but they called us out. It is raining right now, a little heavier than it was a minute ago. We have our, yeah, it's raining pretty good. We have our, I'm gonna close this door. We have headlamps. Are you done? Can you turn the hall light on?
Yeah. You're ready?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we can hear it raining in here.
That's a long ways up.
That is. So we got our headlamps out. We've got a plan to escape to the basement if we need to. And we're gonna try to get the dog to just kind of hang out with us. One thing we did today, which was kind of fun, is we moved our bedroom down here.
Oh yeah, we're down in the basement.
We are downstairs. We're first floor dwellers. We decided that if we're just living out of basically 2 rooms in the house anyway, why not make everything on the same floor? God, that looks nasty. Jeez. Just gonna open the door real quick. This is just minutes after I came in a second ago. It's a downpour. Yeah, it shouldn't be dark. It's only about 6:40. Yeah, no more nice pretty sky off in that direction. Wow, just sheets of rain blowing off the roof across the street. Wow. Here's our tree on the corner. It's getting whipped over. Oh, well, there goes the garbage can lid, Sherry.
Oh crap. we were gonna put something on top of it. We're like, well, you know, it's never blown off yet.
It's never blown open before. Well, there's the garbage can lid.
Okay. Well.
Oh well. We might be coming past it here. Wind is still whipping around, but everything's moving off in that direction. We have brighter skies here behind the house. On the alley side is a lot brighter even than this. I think there's a cell kind of still above us, but it's all starting to move north. And we still have the winds. Wow. That was an exciting 45 minutes. Man, has some soaking rains. Soaking rains. Wow. Yeah, look at that. Clearer skies that way. Awesome. Woohoo! Like I said, that was an exciting 45 minutes for sure. That was awesome. Call me crazy, but I love a good thunderstorm. Love it. Woo! You said there's another round coming around 11 or something?
That's what Dad said.
Oh boy, okay. Is the front, I think the front door's locked. I think, I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know, we'll go around this way. Check out the backyard. All right, we're all good. Pretty much unscathed. Interesting. All right, guys. Well, if round 3 comes through tonight, we'll bring you some of that. I hope not. It's about all the excitement I want for one day. All right, I'm gonna go check on the dog. See ya.